Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rename your projects in Lovable. So there's two ways how you can easily do this. The first way is actually once you hover over a project, you'll have three dots on the lower right hand side. You can click in that and it's going to give you some options here where you can easily go ahead and rename your project. So you can click on rename and you're able to basically change the name of your project, and you can basically, so let's say I want to call this one Drew's. So I'm going to leave this one as Drew's right here, and I'm going to click on rename project, and it's going to quickly rename the project. Right, as well, once you rename the project and you go back to your website, if you refresh, keep in mind that it actually changes the name of the website. So if you want to rename your project, then the old link will not work. You have to ensure that you get the new link of the project. So as I rename that one to Drew's, so you can imagine that my new website is going to be something like that, Drew's. And as you can see now, it does work. So once you rename a project, keep in mind that if you're on the free domain or the free website without any custom domain, the name of the website or URL of the website will actually change. So you have to remember that as well. Now, the second way how to actually rename your project is by clicking on the project and opening up that website project that you've created. So you want to go ahead and open up that website. Let me go ahead and open up this website as an example. And once you're inside the website, then on the upper left hand side, click the drop down, and then you want to go to the settings of this project. Now here you will be able to see under the project settings, you want to scroll down, and here you have the option to rename project. So if I click on that, you will see that it says Drew. So let's say I want that to say Drew tutorial. I can go ahead and I can type something like that. Let me go ahead and copy it as well. Just go ahead and click rename project, and it's going to quickly rename the project. And once more, the old link will no longer work, and you have to ensure that you have the correct link. That's why I copied it in the first place, and you will see that the website works again with the new link. And that's how easy it is, guys. Very easy and very simple how to rename your project on Lovable AI.